Emva kokulibaziseka okuninzi nokutshintshwa kwamagqwetha, ekugqibeleni la madoda amahlanu ayebanjelwe ukubulala umdlali webhola uSenzo Meyiwa aza kufumana ixesha lawo enkundleni kule nyanga izayo.
This matter is now postponed until the 11th of April this year for trial purposes. It has been recorded that there are new counsel appearing for the accused in respect of accused numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then separately for accused number 5.
Ababathyolwa abagungqa kwelokuba bona ababandakanyeki ekubulaweni kukaMeyiwa nokwenzeka kwikhaya lowo wayethandana naye uKheli Khumalo. Amagqwetha abo athi ityala lombuso liyantengantenga kwaye alinasihlahla.
As I said, weak is understatement. Actually, it's just not there. These people are not the right. These people are not the right people. These are not the right people. Wait for the special plea that we hopefully believe that we'll bring the application, as the judge said. We should bring the application for the special application.
The NPA enrolls a matter because they see a prospect of prosecution, of successful prosecution. If the matter was not prosecutable or it was weak, then the NPA would not enroll the matter.
Ityala libekelwe ukuqala ngomhla we-11 ku-April walo Meyiwa.